Hi, so today I'm actually going to show you that we can actually grow your own apple trees from seed. So this is an old apple core that I've had from this morning's morning tea for one of the boys that goes to preschool. So I am going to use the seeds out of the pink lady apple. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a cut it right down. All right, so without trying to split the seeds, let's see if I can just chop the end of this first. So I'm getting to the core at the moment. Just cut away a little by little without having to damage any of the seeds. We're almost there. Alright, as you can see, I'm starting to get to where there's a few seeds. I'll try and peel this away without doing it with a knife, which I might need to just cut a little bit more away with the knife because that's quite tough. Alright, so pop these out. So I've got myself a few seeds here. So I've got 1, 2. Let's see. You can hear my son in the background. He's outside playing with the dog. Coming up to Halloween, he's trying to be a ghost. Okay. Oh, all right, lost that one. On the floor somewhere. That's okay. Alright, so this one's got a few more in here. There you go. As you can see, there's quite a couple more in there. Alright, I think that's all that we're going to get out of this one. Yep, that's all we're going to get today. Got a damp bit of paper towel, so I'll just pop them in there, and all you do, fold it over, pop it into a plastic snap lock bag, and then you pop it in the fridge for about 12 to 15 days. You should get some strikes from these seeds. You'll start to see the root system coming out of the seed itself, and then they should be ready to plant, but give it a good at least 15 days minimum. Haven't got enough of a root system, then leave it in there for another 5 or so days. So having them in the fridge, creating that root system, and once the root system is established, or you think that the root system is long enough, then you can pop it into some seedling mix, have it into like a greenhouse container effect, so it is still keeping the moisture within that little container, greenhouse container. So I use this is a blueberry container. This is probably, you know, you can use a strawberry container, raspberry, whatever you can get at the supermarket when you're buying your fruits and veg. It's a cheap version of having a little miniature greenhouse. You pop your seedling mix in there, you pop your seeds in there once they've already established their root system, and cover them, and you know, have the soil slightly damp, not too wet, otherwise that's going to create more mold, mildew, and just not a very nice environment for the seedling to grow. Put it in a semi-sunny spot, not too hot, otherwise the soil's going to dry out, you're going to damage your root system, and it's not going to work. So once you've done that, and just watch your apple tree grow. And hope you enjoyed this little gardening tip on how to grow your own apples or apple tree from seeds that you can buy from the supermarket, and hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay.